Right now I am sitting in the jungle area, and today I am going to share something. Do you know there is many trees and which we don't know about the trees values. Such example I am talking about this tree. This tree name is Sirotha leaves. Sirotha leaves especially known for intense bitterness. This tree used for many treatments, but especially we used to eat this tree for jaundice, high blood sugar, fever, and many more. So, if you guys, uh, go to any jungle, you look there this type of leaves, so you can use it once. In our Ayurveda time, this tree used for many disease. Nowadays many people don't know about these trees. Okay, so try to find out in your place.